All right, I'm going to show you how to build a video with YouTubeCreatorAI.com. Come to the video builder, and you can do a few things here. You can use the topic scout to find a topic, or you can just put in your own custom topic. I'm going to put in this here. Katherine Heigl listed her 25-acre Utah mountain estate. I saw this morning on my Instagram, so I'm just going to use this as kind of my concept. So I'm going to go ahead and select that as my concept. It's going to bring me down. I'm going to mark this as complete. If you don't know what you want to do as a topic, once again, you can run our topic scout. You can put in a custom topic. You can put in your channel niche or some keywords about your channel and run some evergreen ideas. But for this example, we're going to use this as our topic. You can run a video hook, or you can do a full a script outline. Let's say you're on camera. This is great. If you want to, if you're on camera and you just want to do a story about this, or you can do a full script as well. So let's go ahead and do them all here. So the first thing, let's run a hook just to see what that looks like. And then let's run a script outline. So give this about 25, 30 seconds or so. It's doing a live Google search. It's going to do all the research for you about this particular topic or this concept. So this will save you a lot of time later on. Okay, so you can run more than one. So let's see here. We have our hooks here. Katherine Heigl just listed her massive 25-acre mountain retreat for $10.6 million, but the real reason she's walking away from her custom sanctuary after 18 years is the one detail everyone is missing. So let's go ahead and save all these to notes. So we're going to save all these. Hook 2. For time here, I'm not going to read them all through. But we have 3 hooks here. Now it's going to give us a script outline. So this is great. If you're on camera, it gives us another hook here. Katherine Heigl is officially saying goodbye to the 25-acre mountain sanctuary she spent nearly 2 decades building. Gives you an intro, and it gives over some core points that you should cover within the video. And it gives you an outro. Once again, this is more of just an outline. If you're on camera, so you have something to kind of reference here. I'm going to save that to notes, and you can do a couple things. You can expand this full script to a full, you can expand this outline to a full script, or you can just put in your topic here and run a script. In terms of time, I'm going to do a short or a reel here. So we're going to do a storytelling reel script. And once again, this is going to do the scripting for you. And I haven't to give it any prompts. Hey, give me a storytelling script that's 2 minutes long or a minute long. You're just going to put in your topic or your concept here and let it run. All right, so this is going to give us a short or a reel script. So this is only going to probably be about 45 seconds or so. Katherine Heigl Secret Utah Sanctuary hits the market for $10.6 million. So it gives us a suggested title. Gives us an intro. Imagine leaving Hollywood for 25 acres of mountain silence. Katherine Heigl did just that, but now her $10.6 million dream home is officially up for grabs. So it gives us, the full script here. Gives us some shot angles, scene 1, 2, 3, and 4. So once again, this is just for a reel. It gives us some references here regarding this. So let's check it out. So this confirms the accuracy of the script here. I think this might be the Zillow listing. Perfect. So this gives us those 2 references, helps us pull up images. So let's save and sync this to voice. So what this is going to do, it's going to save it to our notes. And we have a couple things where our notes are kind of a running section here, so you can kind of see what you've already saved. We have a quick reference here of what we've already knocked off. So since we've done this, let's mark that phase as complete as well. Now we have our AI voice lab. So this takes the full script. And what we're going to do is you have a couple of different options you can check for voices.
Hello, I'm the narrator. Choose my voice for your next casting call.
For my channel, I typically use this
Hello,
right here.
I'm the storyteller. Choose my voice for your next casting call.
So I'm going to go ahead and stay with that one. And then what we do first is segment script. It kind of drops down here, but just scroll up And what it does is segments this into 4 segments for you. And the reason that it does this, so if there's any of the voices or something sounds weird with the generated voice, you didn't waste your time doing a full voiceover. And then if you build a video in Canva, or if our video builder here, it helps it, kind of have it in these quick segments. So let's play
Imagine leaving Hollywood for 25 acres of mountain silence. Katherine Heigl did just that. But now her $10.6 million dream home is officially up for grabs.
Perfect. So we're going to download that here to save for later. Let's generate segment number 2. And once again, this takes a little bit of time. These are AI tools here. We're not generating kind of just AI mass videos. We want them to
Built
be
in
accurate.
2008, this Oakley Ranch was where she and Josh Kelly raised their family. It's got everything: an art studio, a custom listening shack, and views that can never be built out.
Perfect. So let's download that one as well. Let's do segment number 3. All right. And once again, you can try this for any topic, for any channel. I'm running.
So why the move? Katherine's downsizing. She's trading this massive estate for a smaller Victorian farmhouse nearby, ready for a new chapter now that her kids are growing up.
Right, so let's download that one, and let's run the last one here. So this is just for a YouTube short or like a reel. You can run a long form script as well.
An 18-year era is ending for $10.6 million. Could you handle this much privacy? Tell me in the comments.
All right, so we downloaded that one as well. If you're doing your own on-camera video, you can put in, your script here, and it'll kind of give you some visual direction and some camera shots. We're not going to run that since we're doing a kind of a voiceover. So now that we have the script done, we can run our titles. This is going to be a short, so I'm going to click shorts. You can run this for long form or shorts. And once again, our topic just continues to carry over here. And then we can run a description and keywords as well. So let's run that. And I do have a video of the long form version of this video I made as well, kind of like the after production briefs. You can check that out on our channel. Usually the description is going to come back a little bit faster. So just a quick description. This is all you need for a YouTube short. Katherine Heigl's parting ways with her incredible 25-acre mountain ranch in Utah. Gives us a few hashtags. Let's go ahead and save that. It gives us long tail keywords, short tail keywords, and a suggested file name. So when you save the file as the video, it's great to always have the file name kind of have some keywords in it as well. Let's scroll up here to the shorts titles. Heigl's 10.6 Utah Ranch. So these are going to be tight titles for YouTube shorts. So you want to keep that in mind. They're going to be viewed on mobile. People are only going to see the first words of the title anyway, the first couple words of the title anyway. So I'm going to save all these until I decide which title I want to use. But most likely, probably this one, Heigl's new $10.6 million listing, or Inside Heigl's 10.6 estate. Those are a couple great titles just for a YouTube short. So we've been saving all of these items. Once again, they're all carrying over to our Scratchpad notes. We have a thumbnail studio. This is going to be a short, so I'm not going to run a thumbnail for it now, but you can run some thumbnail concepts with a celebrity video. You typically don't really want to run an AI, image. You want to have a real picture of the house, things like that as well. So there's some other extra tools to do some content expansion, test some titles. So check that out as well. But this video, we wanted to make a video. So let's mark that phase complete as well. So we saved all those items. They all carry over down to our production brief here. So we have all of our titles saved, the description, keywords. You can once you have all those, you can export those all, and they'll save as an HTML on your computer here. So if you want to produce this video later, now you have all of these notes saved. Now we come to the video editor. What we're going to do is we're going to import the script from our scratch pad. So it's going to carry over the script, so this can make it easier for us to build. We're also going to do this as a short, so we're going to change the aspect ratio to the 9.16 here. Okay, let's start building our video. We imported from the scratch pad. Let's go ahead and add the first voice clip. So I'm going to go to my downloads here. I should have saved this better. Here's the first voice segment. It's a 12-second segment, and then we can kind of hover over here and see what the script's about. We want to add our media. I went to the stage media and I added a bunch of the media clips that I had saved in my folder. This is the part that's going to take a little bit of work on your end here. If you want to use accurate media clips, you have to kind of go to, I went to the Zillow listing, the Redfin listing, went to Katherine Heigl's Instagram page to find some media clips. So drag all the media that you want to use into the staging area here to start building your video. So we need to add about 12 seconds of media here to match up with this segment. So imagine leaving Hollywood for 25 acres of mountain silence. So I have this image here of her, kind of a Hollywood image of her leaving. So we can just hit plus and it'll add it to the segment. It's going to fill up the full block here. But we only want this to kind of run probably for the first 3 seconds and leave for 5 acres of mountain silence. I have a video clip here of the house. We can just hit plus and it'll add it to the media segment. And so this is going to fill up the full clip. If you want to clip that video, you can go to the clipper, run it for what you want here. We don't want this to run the full length, so I'm going to go ahead and drag this to about 5.5 seconds actually here. So then we go ahead and apply trim. Now we have about 4 seconds left that we need to add for some media here. Actually, what I may do is I'm going to clip this, make this a little bit longer, make this actually 6 seconds. So this is the part that's going to take a little bit of time. There is still some editing. We're not just kind of piecing together whatever videos here. I have this image of her. Let's make sure it's a vertical. So you can come here. Once you drag the segments, you can edit the media. So this is vertical. We want to make sure that it's on vertical here. We have the image of hers. We can save that and add that there as well to take up the last media segment. Now we need to add some music here. Let's see, TV drama would be good that she was on. So we have some pre-music overlays here. So let's go ahead and just add this, TV drama. Let's add that music, and then we can add some sound effects, leaving Hollywood. So let's do like a karate chop. So let's drag this here a little bit. So this is the first segment. Let's play it.
Imagine leaving Hollywood for 25 acres of mountain silence. Katherine Heigl did just that. But now her $10.6 million dream home is officially up for grabs.
All right, so that's the first segment, and I went ahead and built the other ones out, and it works the same way. You add your voice segment. You have your staged media here. You add it to the clips. Of course, I'm doing a little bit more editing by adding multiple clips, but you can add like 1 or 2 images. Once you have your media staged, and this is vertical, it's important to kind of make sure you look at it, what it'll look like on vertical. You can add some, overlays if you want to. I think I had that one. If you want to add an overlay image and then have that save, you can do some editing to the overlay. You can adjust the image there, some editing, turn it black and white, whatever you want to do, save and finish. You can drag these to the segments, or you can add them. Once we get the full video built, once again, this is going to take a little bit of time. But the biggest thing is just getting all the media and then just putting it together. So let's look at segment number
Built
2.
in 2008, this Oakley ranch was where she and Josh Kelly raised their family. It's got everything: an art studio, a custom listening shack, and views that can never be built out.
Okay, great. So we have
So
the next
why the
segment.
move? Catherine's downsizing. She's trading this massive estate for a smaller Victorian farmhouse nearby, ready for a new chapter now that her kids are growing up.
All right, so we have all the segments. Once they're done, once you can play them just to make sure you can do any different editing. Once again, you can put all your stage media here. Just hit plus, it'll fill the next available slot, and then we're going to download it. This is going to take about a minute or two to upload all of these files. And then this does do the video build for you. So this isn't like an instant download. It's going to take about 5 to 6 minutes to build these video segments, add all of the layering here for you, and it'll pop up here on your screen, or it'll send you an email to let you know that the video is ready. And then you can download it, save it, and upload it to YouTube. So once again, give this just a minute here. It's going to upload all of these clips. And I would recommend staying at least here on the page to make sure all the clips get uploaded in case you have like an internet interruption or anything like that. All of them are going to still save here kind of in your local storage on your browser. So this is going to render the video in the cloud. It's going to take a couple minutes to build, and then you will get an email when it's done. Let me go to my Gmail here. So we'll have it ready. We'll have that. We'll be ready to go. Okay, just got a notification. The video is ready to be downloaded. Just click here. Let's see what the
Imagine
final
leaving
product
Hollywood
is.
for 25 acres of mountain silence. Katherine Heigl did just that. But now her $10.6 million dream home is
A little bit better
officially up for
edit there.
grabs. Built in 2008, this Oakley ranch was where she and Josh Kelly raised their family. It's got everything: an art studio, a custom listening shack, and views that can never be built out. So why the move? Catherine's downsizing. She's trading this massive estate for a smaller Victorian farmhouse nearby, ready for a new chapter now that her kids are growing up. An 18-year era is ending for $10.6 million. Could you handle this much privacy? Tell me in the comments. Imagine.
All right, great. So what do you think? We can come over here to our final production brief that we had. It gave us a suggested file name, Catherine Heigl, Utah State. I'm going to copy that file name. Go ahead and save this video as that, so I can save this and upload it to YouTube. I'll probably use this title here, so I can just copy that title, copy this description, add these keywords, and I'm ready to go. So check it out, YouTube Creator AI. If you don't want to use the video builder, you can use the voice clips, everything else. This was just for a short. You can repeat the same process to build out a long form video as well. Check it out, YouTube Creator AI. It's totally free.